Hi, Andreas. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence all on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you. So you're not playing the game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. And so I see that you have a Facebook page here, profile for a real estate agent. Obviously, you understand the importance of being online. The real question is how many jobs are you getting from this Facebook page? That's the real reason you're here, is to get more business. And if you're not getting business, then what's the purpose of having it here? So only you know the answer to that question. And I hope that you are getting leads. But here's what you can do to help on other ends. Okay, so 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. Obviously, you have a site here. Now, it looks like this is an ERA provided site. So this is a site that they provide to you that you don't necessarily pay for. So I'm not sure you can actually change anything on this, but I would suggest getting your own real estate site and then keep these things in mind. Content. So 1,500 words minimum is what we recommend on any page you're trying to rank. So 1,500 words minimum. And then especially in real estate sites with the IDX feed and all the listing photos, how your photos are saved matters, okay? So Google reads on the back end how they're saved. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer will create a file name that we don't specify. Typically it consists of random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, okay? You're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved the proper way with good content, because that's going to help you rank and help bring value, okay? Keep that in mind. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Las Vegas, Nevada Realtors. We got Homes by Leslie, Simply Vegas Real Estate, Realty One Group, Summerlin. As you can see, none of these are Remax, Coldwell Banker, Century 21, ERA, none of them, okay? So what that goes to show you is that these companies are doing something right with their Google My Business, and they're beating out the big dogs, okay? So there's a couple things you can do. I looked through, obviously top 3 is where you want to be. If not, you want to be on the first page. I don't believe that you have a Google My Business page. So if you do, I apologize for not finding it, but this is an example of what one will look like. So Chris Patrick, he is Chris Patrick Realtor, Signature Real Estate Group. Now, that's an example of whether you're a broker or not, you can still have a Google My Business page. So if you're wondering, hey, well, I don't have a building, I'm not a broker, I don't have a business, then you can still do this, okay? He's a perfect example. Chris Patrick has one, and he's a realtor, okay? Not broker, not associate broker. He's a realtor, okay? Keep that in mind. Couple things. We recommend 25 reviews. So obviously Chris has 94 reviews. We recommend 25 reviews, okay? So obviously you want to beat him. You're going to go 95, 96. You're going to want to keep going. But the minimum number we advise our clients to shoot for is 25. Next, again, photos. So very important. We recommend having 10 photos minimum. So it looks like this. He has a bunch of videos. We want to have 10 photos, and then we want you to have 10 photos all saved the right way. So Chris has more than 10. It's kind of irrelevant to us. When you do have your Google My Business page set up, you're going to want to put in 10 photos. And then again, you're going to want to make sure that all 10 of those photos are saved with proper content. 10 photos, 25 reviews. Citations, citations, citations. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that your website can be found online is going to give you a backlink. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. We want our backlinks to come from sites that are relevant to the trade and sites that aren't spammy. So if you have sites that are coming and you're getting backlinks from that are selling lawn chairs in Florida on a beach, it's not going to do you any good in Vegas trying to sell homes. So you need to make sure that all your backlinks are coming from reputable sites that aren't spammy. Once you do that, you'll see your domain rating going up. This is a 76 out of 100, so that's still a C. But a lot of that power is coming from the fact that your domain is an ERA site. So you're getting your power from ERA and not necessarily you in particular. So, Andreas, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your website, into your life, to bring you some more leads and freedom and money. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope this video finds you well.